welcome back to Bowl of Nicole. So it's been a while since I've been here, since I've seen you guys, but I'm glad to be back. It's after the holidays, plenty of time after the holidays. I have been so behind in my whole life that I haven't even undecorated for Christmas yet. So that is on my agenda of things to do. But I wanted to do this video first because I've been absolutely obsessed with watching Graveyard Girl's mystery unboxing videos, and I even kind of ventured off into watching some other mystery unboxing videos on different channels, and they were just fascinating and exciting, and I wanted to do one, except for it's kind of expensive. So when I found this at Walmart on sale for $10, I was like, okay, first of all, not only do I love Super Mario, but I also love a deal, a sale. So this was for $10. I think it's originally $30 if you want to find it yourself. I think they might still have them at Walmart, but it might just be like a clearance thing. So this is not completely a mystery because they do show what you're going to get on the back, but I wanted to open it up with you guys. And also they do have this mystery vinyl. So that'll be the mystery. So I almost forgot to show you guys, but I was so ready for this video. I have my Super Mario shirt on. So let's get right into it. Alrighty. So take off the plastic. Take off this little protector thing that shows you what's in the box. If I can get it off. So that's the question box. This is cool in itself. I'm going to keep this for like little goodies or collectibles that I want to keep in there. So here is the question box in all of its unopened glory. We see the mushroom on the top. Let's see, it says built by Culture Fly. Okay, so the first thing in here is this neato. It looks like maybe a lunchbox. Yeah, it says Super Mario Mushroom Lunch Bag, and you know what? This is perfect. Not only because I love Nintendo and everything like collectible for Nintendo, and especially Mario and Zelda. I've been meaning to actually start packing my lunches and bringing them to work and being like an adult with a healthy lifestyle. That's my goal for this year, one of my goals for this year. So this is awesome. Look at that. Look, you open it and there's plenty of space to like put a sandwich and a couple of other things and maybe a salad. This is really cool. I'm super excited about this. Okay, so this is actually the mystery vinyl. It's the question box and the green mushroom. Okay. So hopefully this doesn't get drowned out by the green screen. I don't know if this does get drowned out by the green screen. I'll probably just like have this as my background instead of like putting something in there. Yeah, so it's just the vinyl figure of the question box, and it's really cool because these are 3D and they stick out, and it's not just like a painting on there. And he's like sitting up on the top. That's really cool, and it feels like the pop vinyl figures that you would get from Funko. That is awesome. I'm gonna have to add this to my collection of just stuff. I have little toy collections. Oops. I actually collected all of the Mario toys, or most of the Mario toys, when they came to McDonald's, probably about a year ago. I was that 26-year-old going to McDonald's to order a kid's meal just to get those toys from Nintendo. So next, I am just going to grab this out of here because look at that. It is nice and bright red. It's a Mario beanie, which is so freaking cool. It has the logo on there, Super Mario. It's embroidered like a patch. It's on there. Let's see what it looks like. I can't. Okay, so it's like not even showing through when you fold it down. That is really neat. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, look at that. This is really cool. And then we have this little question box cube of Post-it notes, which will definitely come in handy because, you know, I need all the reminders I can give myself to get anywhere in life. So there's like a nice cube of notes. I don't actually think they're sticky. No, they're not sticky, but they just tear off and you can put them around. You could just like write on there and put them around anywhere you need to put them. The next cool thing that's in here, the next big thing, is this bundle of joy. And I think this is probably the fleece scarf. And yes, it is. It is the scarf. It's cool. It's not like the best quality fleece. It has like, you know, just the cuts. It's kind of thin, but the cool thing is that it's printed darker on this side, but on the back side, it's not like super light. It still shows the question mark. So that will probably keep me nice and warm. We're actually having a fairly warm winter in Colorado this year. We did get snow like a week ago, but actually I wasn't even here. My brother and I were on a trip to Washington, D.C., which I can make a little video about that if you guys are interested in that. I can show you all of our explorations around the city. This will be handy if it gets cold. Right now I think it's like 70 degrees or something outside. I know it's like very hot in my room down here right now. So, all right, the next cool thing is this Super Mario collectible coin, and it says Super Mario. It actually has a nice amount of weight. That's really cute. And this is all really making me want to go play Mario Kart. So maybe I'll do that later, but I do have to work today, so we'll see. Okay, so this Super Mario coin, it has the Super Mario logo on it. Is it focusing? And then it also has a little 1 on it. And then on the back, it has the question box with a little TM register, copyright in 2017 Nintendo. So, you know, this is the good stuff because it has the Nintendo registration thing on the back. And then last but not least in this box, which I'm very incredibly happy that I found for $10 because all these things are very cool, is this Super Mario a set of iron-on patch. I'm like I'm out of breath because I am so excited about this, and it's very hot, so I might be taking off all of this stuff here actually. So yes, there's these iron-on patches. This is the last thing in the box. So there's that one, super cute. And then the next one is the green mushroom, and then also the red mushroom as well. So those guys can be buddies. I might put these on a shirt or a purse or something. So that is it for this video. I am super pumped about all of this stuff. I'm excited about revamping and coming back and revisiting my channel and seeing all of you guys. Let me know if you guys like these mystery unboxings. Or just like unboxings of whatever, because I surely do. I would love to do another video kind of like this for you in the future if you would like to see it, so be sure and let me know down in the comments. And while you're down there, go ahead and hit that big ol' red subscribe button if you haven't already. I would love to continue growing this family and just having a place of like fun and just hang out here on my Bowl of Nicole channel. Stay tuned for more videos, and I will see you hopefully next week, but if not, in the near future, because I am excited to be back. So that's it for now. I'll see you guys later. Bye!